Play-Doh videos.
Play-Doh videos. All right, we're going to teach everybody how to make Play-Doh today, okay? All right, we are going to start with...
Make them and put them on the popsicle table and you do it in the sand and do a thing.
And that's how you make Play-Doh. All right, so we're going to start with 1 cup of flour. Can you tell everybody 1 cup of flour?
1 cup of flour.
All right, go ahead. Dump it in our little bowl. 1 cup flour. All right. Half a cup of salt. Let's get some salt going here. Ready? Yeah, I'll let you dump it in. I just got to measure it out.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Half a cup of salt. Here we go. Wait. Oop, just need a little bit more.
I'll try that.
Okay, half a cup of salt. Dump it in.
For me.
Dump the salt into the flour. Nice job. All right. Let's mix it up a little bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, let's get some water. Hold on. Oh, look at that mess. Stay right there. Daddy will be right back. We need half a cup of water.
Dad, let me try it.
Oh, okay. So we have 1 cup of flour, half a cup of salt, and now we're going to gradually pour the water in and stir it up.
Let me try.
Well, we gotta dump this one slowly. Okay, let's try stirring it a little bit. Hold on. Ooh, oh, Daddy just made a mess. That's okay. Okay, let's stir it up again. Ooh, that's really cold water.
Yep.
Look at your hands. Look at that mess. Look at that mess. Okay, look at that mess. Okay, uh-oh, put your hand back in here. Oh, look at that mess. Okay, can you tell when we're just kneading it together? Kneading it together. Oh, keep on mixing it. Put your hand down in here.
Daddy!
Here, look, put it down in here. It'll all come off. Look, see Daddy's hands? See how it's making Play-Doh now? Oh, it's turning into Play-Doh, Jace. Oh my goodness. Hold on, let Daddy do this really quick. It's turning into Play-Doh. Yep. Here, put it back so Daddy can keep on mixing it. Oh man, look at this, Jace. Oh, it's turning into Play-Doh. Hold on, hold on. Look at your hands. Okay, let's see if we can look at this Play-Doh. Watch. Comes off. See that? Here, pick this up and just make it. Look, here we go. Look, we have Play-Doh. Look at this. Look at this. Look, Jace. Let's get some of this other stuff here. Hey, you know what? That's gonna make it sticky. All right, Jace, look. Look. Look at this. We're almost done with it. Look at this. Look at this Play-Doh.
It's not Play-Doh ready.
Yeah, here, look, feel it. Now it's Play-Doh. What's on your hands isn't Play-Doh. Look, feel it. That's Play-Doh. What? How cool is that? We just made our own Play-Doh. Do you want to make it a color now?
Yeah.
Do you want to make it colorful?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me play some a little bit. Let me put some.
There's no more. Uh-oh. Here, just
There you go.
more. There you go.
But there, guy, put some.
Okay, all right, we're gonna make 3 colors. Okay, so let's split up into 3 different pieces. Okay, there's 1. There's 2. Let's go over here. Okay, Daddy's gonna go get coloring and we're gonna make them cool colors, okay? Look at Daddy's pants. Oh no. Alright.
I can't get these off.
Here, we're gonna make some colors.
Get these off.
That's okay. We'll wash our hands when we're done teaching everyone how to make it.
Let me put out.
Okay, you ready? Uh-oh, they're stuck. Okay.
What
What colors do you want? We have
are
blue, green, red, and yellow.
wait. This one, this one, this one, this one. All of them.
Okay, let's make one green.
I want all of them.
Okay, let's start with green. Ready? Make a couple of drips in here. Oh, that's gonna be sweet. Hold on. Ready? Let's. Okay. Oh boy.
You gonna eat it?
No, you can't eat Play-Doh.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
I don't eat for you.
Oh, look at Daddy's hands.
I want all of them.
Yeah, we're gonna make different colors. Look, Daddy's making it green.
Let me see Daddy's hands. I want all of them.
Yeah, we're gonna make all of them. We're just making the first one just green. It's turning really green.
It is green.
Yep. It's getting really green. Look at this.
Let me
Oh, look at
let me
this.
peel it.
You want to smell it? Smells like Play-Doh. Nothing.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum.
All right. Here's our first green one. Look at this, Jace.
This one.
You want red next? Hold on. Don't open it. It'll make a mess and stain. Here's your green one. Play with your green one. Dad's going to make red.
Yum! What's that?
This is going to be red.
That's not red.
Yeah, watch. Hold on.
That ain't gonna make it.
Yep. Here we go. Ready? Here goes red. Here goes red.
Here goes a little red.
No, that is yellow. Hold on.
Just little.
We'll make that in a minute. We're going to make our red one first. Look. Uh-oh. Dad got some green on this one, too.
Let me see.
It's going to be like Christmas colors.
Yeah, Christmas colors.
It's not even close to Christmas, but that's okay.
That's Christmas.
Okay, well, we'll make the next one a different color, but we won't make everyone watch
Let
it.
me have this one. We have that one.
That's blue.
Let me
That's
put
blue.
it. Let me pour it.
Go. It doesn't take very much. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now we're gonna have blue.
Let me put it back on.
Okay.
We have.
Here, play with the red one. Make it, keep on, you know,
Let me
kneading it, make it red. Guys, gonna work on blue. Can you tell everyone, saying that's how you make homemade Play-Doh.
I make Play-Doh.
Tell them thanks for watching my video.
You can go watch my video.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Don't get the cry.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
See ya.
See ya.
That was awesome.